like everything is new. The sunburst flowers calling on one.
Come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. I love everybody because I love you. When you stood up, walked away barefoot. There will come a soldier who carries a mighty sword. He will tear your city down. Allay, allay, Lord. Allay, 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 Lord. He will tear your city down. Allay, allay, Lord.
만 방탄소년단이 진격한다면 어떨까?
진격해 방탄소년단처럼 진격해 방탄소년단처럼.
Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life you're only waiting for this moment to arrive. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see. All your life you're only waiting for this moment to be free. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly.
Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright.
just wanted you to watch me dissolve slowly in a pool of your love.
When I was just a little girl, I asked my mother, what will I be? Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? Here's what she said to me. Que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Que sera, sera. What will be, will be. When I grew up and fell in love, I asked my sweetheart, what lies ahead? Will we have rainbows day after day? Here's what my sweetheart said.
Your tongue is all by your side. You got it, took too long to get it. You got it, took too long to get it. You got it, took too long to get it. You got it, took too.
Why do we always have to get involved? Can't we just do normal stuff that normal people do? Like, go for brunch?
What the fuck is brunch?
Part 2 of propagating succulents. They grew roots and are ready for soil, so I made a little egg carton planter for them. I'll leave instructions in the comments. Then I mixed up some fertilizer and potting soil and put it into each compartment of the egg carton. As you can see, these succulents are really ready to be planted. I put 2 into each little compartment, being really gentle with the roots. Depending on how the baby succulent grew, the host leaf may either need to be buried or laid out next to it.
This is why I love foraging. You can be walking outside and you spot a flower and you think, oh, that looks edible, but I need to go and check. So you go and get your book and then you have a look and it looks really similar to something in there. And then you go outside and you double check and you were right and everything is amazing because life just got a little bit more magical.
Hi guys! So this is me making a spell jar for a client. I talk to my clients in detail about the situation that they're in and what they need from me from the spell, and that helps me decide what spell to make them. So this is me putting different materials in it like mugwort, clove, saffron, and then that's a scroll that has the actual spell written on it in runes. And then I put different flora in it depending on what spell it is. And then I always seal it with a colored wax depending on the energy that the person gave me and the person needs, and that's it.
It all seems so familiar, yet I know I've never been here before. I feel so at home.
Come with me.
Okay.
I've been cheated by you since I don't know when. So I made up my mind, it must come to an end. Look at me now, will I ever learn? I don't know how, but I suddenly lose control. There's a fire inside my soul. Just one look and I can hear a bell ring. One more look and I forget everything. Choose your character.
America's racist. Donald Trump is a white supremacist. Full stop. If you vote for him again, you're a white supremacist.